Welcome back to another video by Trade Happy. Today we're going to be doing a beginner forex trading strategy using the RSI indicator plus support and resistance. Today we're going to be doing a beginner forex trading strategy using the RSI indicator plus support and resistance. I haven't tested it yet, but it's something that I'm having a look at, and I thought I'd record it and show you guys the process of me actually testing a strategy. So we're on Euro AUD right now on the 2-hour time frame, and we've just got a blank chart at the moment. So what I'm going to do is add the RSI to the chart, and then we can change the settings in here and get going. So 14 and close, get rid of the background, let's make that black. Okay, so we are in 2018 right now, and what I'm going to do is just go along, and if anything goes above or below those dotted lines right here, so the top one and the bottom one, I'll be having a look to see where the price is near a support or resistance area and buying or selling depending on what that is. So let's see if we can find a setup right there. So let's go back a bit. So the RSI over here is overbought, so what we're going to be doing is looking left and seeing whether there's any support at this area. So there's one right there. Let's move that down a little bit. So what I'll be doing is putting a position in here. It would have actually been entered right there, and putting it above the high, which is here, and giving it a little bit of room, and then bringing it down to the lows. So as you can see, that's actually a losing trade right there straight away. That's a good start. But that's basically the strategy. So what I'm going to be doing is going through from 2018 all the way through to today, which is the 20th of the 2nd, 2020, and seeing how many profitable trades we can get. I'll stick a little winner and loser tally down in the bottom left or bottom right, and we can see how many trades it's got. What I will do is fast forward this bit, and we'll see what we can get at the end of the video. Okay, and we're back at 2020, February, and to be honest, going through it, it didn't look like a very good strategy. There was a lot of trades that were taken where there's no real gauge of where the stop loss should be, and you're just going to get caught out, but then there's also not really anywhere where you can take profits. Of course, it's a very simple strategy, and you can always change it depending on what you want to trade, but from what I was doing, I was just putting the stop loss above a recent high that I could find and putting the stop loss at a recent support that I could find. There are a few good trades in there, but the majority are probably losers, and it wouldn't surprise me if there's more losers than winners here, because I wasn't actually counting, so I'll see what the numbers are when I'm editing the video, but the actual trades themselves didn't seem very good. You didn't have any massive winners, but saying that again, you didn't have any massive losers. So if the win rate is good enough, it could work, but I'm not counting risk reward here. It was a purely win rate testing strategy. Win rate is obviously not as important as a lot of people think it is, but it's always important to have a good win rate so that you know when you're entering trades that the probability is in your favor. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment what you thought about the strategy. Is there anything that you would change about the strategy that you think would improve it? And also, do you use the RSI indicator? I know that there's a lot of traders out there that do use it. I'm not one of them, but I suppose if this strategy was looking like it could be profitable, I'd probably explore it more. It's just, it didn't actually look like a great strategy when I was testing it. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.